Hi everyone, you're welcome to another video of the Pioneer. As I promised the last time, this video will be about solving a few standard questions on the topic indices. Before we move on, please be sure to share, like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. This should be very brief. To begin with, let us consider this question. You might meet something like this at objective question at any WAEC examination, be it BC or WASI. So simplify, then a big square root sign, and it tell you 243 squared times 3 exponent 6 all over 9 exponent 4. If you understand whatever I taught in my last video, then I'll urge you to pause the video now, solve it yourself, and then join me later to see the solution. Okay, fine. Now this is how it should be solved. So I will do this slowly to your understanding. We know that 243 is equal to 3 exponent 5. So the whole thing will be 3 exponent 5 squared times 3 exponent 6 all over 3 squared exponent 4, because we know 9 is equal to 3 squared. Fine. Going that way, then we should be able to get something like a big square root again, then 3 exponent 10, since 2 is multiplying 5 over here, times our 3 exponent 6 all over our 3 exponent 8, since 4 is multiplying 2 over here. Going that way, you should be able to get something like 3 exponent 10 plus 6 all over 3 exponent 8, because we know from the law that whenever there is a multiplication sign and the bases are the same, then just add the exponents. Therefore, that is what we are doing here. We write the base and then we add the exponent. So we get something like 3 exponent 16 all over 3 exponent 8. We know also from the law that when there is a division sign, we know this over the line over here stands for a division sign. We know what to do. Just subtract this one from this to give you something like this. 3 exponent 16 minus 8, which will now give me 3 exponent 8. Okay, now we've dealt with all the things that were inside the square roots. Now we have to come and deal with the square root itself. So we get something like 3 exponent 8 into bracket with the exponent of half. I hope you understand, because from the last law we remember that something in an exponent or any number, let's say y, with an exponent half is equal to the square root of y because of the 2. If it were to be 3, it would be a cube root. Therefore, it can be interchanged. We can change square root of y to y exponent 1 over 2 or y exponent 1 over 2 to square root of y to make our solving easy. I hope you understand. So everything should now come to give me 3 exponent 8 times 1 over 2, which will be giving me 3 with the exponent 4. So this is my final answer. Having done that, let us continue with another question. How about one which combines simultaneous equations with indices? Try this, but before, I will urge you to pause the video, solve this on your own, and then look at the solution. If 25 exponent a times 125 exponent b gives me 5 exponent 63, wow, that's a big number, and 3 exponent a divided by 3 exponent b is equal to 3 with the power 9. Sorry if my a looks like a 9. Find the value of a and b. Find a and b. So I will wait. Okay, so this is the solution. We know that 25 is equal to 5 squared. So 5 the power a squared times, we know that 125 is equal to the cube of 5. So 5 with the power b into bracket cube will give me the 5 exponent 63. Here now the bases are all the same, so we take the exponents on. 2 multiply a to give us 2a. Since they are multiplying, the bases are multiplying, we add the exponent, so plus 3 will multiply b to give us 3b, being equal to 63. That will be our equation 1. Let's move on to that of the 3. 3a divided by 3b must give us 3 with the power 9. In this case, a, since they are dividing, minus b is equal to 9. That's giving us equation 2. So from equation 2, a is equal to 9 plus b, giving us our equation 3. If so, then put equation 3 into equation 1. Therefore, it will give me 2 of 9 plus b plus 3b being equal to 63. 18 plus 2b plus 3b equal to 63. 5b is equal to 63 minus 18. 5b here is equal to 45. This implies that b is equal to 45 divided by 5, implying that b is equal to 9. Now we know b is equal to 9 as our equation 4. Put equation 4 into equation 3 to get our a. So a is equal to 9 plus b, b is equal to 9. A is equal to 9 plus 9, which is equal to 18. Therefore, a is equal to 18, b is equal to 9. Now I hope you realize how easy this topic was after all, and I hope you realize that you don't need to be smart to understand this simple topic. Now go and solve more, and remember that the more you solve, the better you become. And always remember to be calculation minded. Enjoy your day.